Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, if I give you something that doesn't feel good on your body or causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. When we stretch, it's so important to listen to our bodies and not find positions in our stretches that feel intense. Rather, we want something that feels good on our bodies. So again, please don't push yourself and listen to your body. We'll be starting off with 3 deep breaths from a comfortable seat, or perhaps even laying down flat on your back with the knees bent, soles of the feet on the earth. Let's go ahead and let go of the belly and the chest. Softly close your eyes, letting the top eyelashes kiss the bottom eyelashes. And let out any stale air you've been holding on to. Find a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, let it go. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to your natural breath and take a moment to set an intention for your practice today. That could be something as simple as feeling better in your body, or perhaps a bit deeper, such as finding peace through whatever stress you're going through in your life right now. Whatever it is for you is perfectly fine. Softly flutter the eyes open and shift forward, coming into tabletop, hands and knees. Spread the fingers wide, root the palms down evenly, and make sure that wrist creases aren't coming in. Make sure they're either parallel to the front edge of the mat or a bit turned out. Inhale, cow pose, arch the spine, draw the belly down, heart forward, look forward, firm your core. And exhale, cat, round the spine, lift the belly up and in, release the neck, and look to the thighs. Inhale, cow, lift the tailbone, melt the navel down, heart forward, look forward, engage your core muscles. Exhale, cat, round the spine, tuck the tailbone, feel the shoulders round in, release the neck. And flow through these to the wave of your own breath, inhaling on cow. And exhaling on cat. Keep your core muscles engaged, pulling the belly button in towards the spine as you find a gentle back bend to protect the lumbar spine. And then come back to neutral. Really nice. Lift the right knee up, tuck the right toes under, firm the right heel back. And if it feels good, perhaps sway back and forth a bit to warm up the ankle, the calf muscle, the toes, and the foot. Float the right heel up in line with the hip. Create dorsiflexion with the right ankle, so toes draw up and back towards the right shin. Send the left hand forward, palm faces in, firm your core. And exhale, round in, knee to elbow, lift the belly up and in. Inhale, extend, really nice. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, round. Really nice. Inhale, lengthen. Bend the right knee, and if it's accessible for you, take the left palm to the inner right ankle and maybe lift a little higher. Firm your core muscles. And then release, lower the right knee and the left palm and shift back child's pose. Melt the hips back towards the heels, release the forehead and surrender the belly to the thighs. If this is too much on your knees, lift the hips higher, stack forearms under the forehead, and you can tuck the toes if that's too much on your ankles. Otherwise, we're in child's pose, and maybe slide the hands to the right for a nice side body stretch. And slide the hands to the left, really good. And slide the hands forward, rise up, table. Lift the left knee, tuck the left toes, firm the heel back. Engage the quad. And if it feels good, shift back and forth a bit. Come back to stillness. Float the left heel up in line with the hip and reach the right hand forward, palm faces in. Exhale, round in, knee to elbow, lift the belly up and in. Inhale, extend, engage the muscles. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round in. Inhale, extend. And if it feels good, bend the left knee, reach the right palm to the inner left ankle, and maybe lift a little higher. Firm the core muscles, knit the ribs in towards the spine. And release the left knee, right palm down, melt back child's pose, really good. And this time, maybe root the fingertips to the earth, but lift the palms, creating spider fingers. And this will just deepen the stretch in the shoulders and armpits. Keep the arms straight. And then release. If it feels okay, go ahead and find a seat on your heels. If this is too much for your knees, though, you can take literally any other seat. Interlace the fingers behind your back. And if you can't, you can just hold on to your shirt or your shorts instead. Draw the shoulders back and down and lean the heart back. Firm the core very, very strongly here. Pull the ribs in. Lift the chin up a few inches higher than it usually is, but not very much. We're not sinking way back into the cervical spine, just a little bit, just lengthening. Lift back up. Give yourself a hug and round in. And release. Come to lay down on your back. And find a quick happy baby pose. You can hold on to behind the knees. Stack heels over the knees. Flex the feet. Open the knees out wide. Pull them down. If you have more to give, you can hold on to the outer edges of the feet. But if the lower back just lifted, we're going to hold on to the knees instead. This is where most of us will be. Whichever position you're in, if it feels good, sway a little bit from side to side. Really nice work. Take a deep breath. And release down into Shavasana, final resting pose. Open the heels out as wide as the short edge of the mat, hands out as wide as the short edge of the mat, palms face up. Relax each muscle in your body. Softly close your eyes. Completely relax, release, and surrender. Softly bend the knees, roll over onto one side. And rise up into any comfortable seat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.